Hey there, I'm Luke the Cookin Camper along with Zena the Glamper Camper, and today we are working on a pretty quick little project. So, a cat has come through and has broken most of this cactus off. Now, I do feel bad for the cat because it's probably walking around with a whole bunch of spikes in it, but our neighbor's got about 20 now that run around. So, what I'm going to do is take this and I'm actually going to pot it up as a separate cactus for a gift, or as a gift for Mr. Cameraman's mom's birthday, which is tomorrow. So you can see that I think it got a little traumatized or shocked, so it does have a couple rips in it, but as you can see, there is a new paddle right there. You can tell which ones are paddles and which ones are going to be blooms to form fruit. The blooms are round. The petals are more of that flat look. This is a piña colada cactus. So it's actually really pretty. I Googled it when it blooms because mine hasn't bloomed yet. And it's a combination of like creamy yellow and pinky blooms. And there's multicolored blooms all on this one plant. So I've got this cute little bucket here, and I'm just going to pop some Miracle-Gro cactus mix. It really probably should have a hole in the bottom. Let's see, maybe I've got a drill so I can drill a hole in the bottom. Okie dokie, so now I've got a number of holes in the bottom. Now this bucket actually came from Texas Roadhouse. A couple of years ago, they were doing like a bucket like as a gift, and it had steak sauce and gift cards and peanuts. So that was kind of where this came from. I have been using it to pick weeds, but I haven't used it in a really long time, so I thought it would be cute to pop this cactus in there. So now we are just going to add some of our garden soil. Now I did pack the bottom part pretty tight, but I just added a little bit more loose stuff on the top. Now I'm just kind of pressing it against the edges, just so there's kind of like a little divot for the bottom of our cactus to go into. Now, using my cactus tongs, I'm just going to take off some of these really long needles. And it's funny that she's actually getting this cactus because the actual like the whole cactus, she actually bought for us. So I had a opportunity to regift part of it instead of just throwing it away. So I decided to. Right now we're kind of struggling getting some different plants to survive in her yard. So far, most of the prickly pears have done pretty well. Okay, so now we're gonna come in from the side, and we are just going to see if it'll fit right in there. I might have to adjust a little bit. So it was looking super cute, but it's not really weighted equally. So I just took off that one. And now we are going to try I'm gonna have to get it in there deeper, like that. So I'm going to remove some of the soil. So I put the soil right there. Now with most of that soil gone, that bottom pad can be in there deeper. So now I just need to fill in around the edges. Now it is standing on its own. Just gonna pack in that soil around the edges just a little bit. And then just take a couple rocks. And rocks are really good for wedging or kind of propping up cuttings like this. Now, when you are doing a project like this, you should let the cactus callus over. And this one has been just laying here in the front yard for quite a while, actually. A number of days. So it was already totally calloused over. I can't decide if I want this to be up. Does it look kind of cute? I can't really tell. I think it looks kind of cute being a little bit up. Then we'll go on the front. Even though the front of this is cracked, I think that kind of adds character. So I think I'm gonna keep this as the front. So we'll just pack in the soil. Can you hear Zena barking? They're waiting for me, and then we're going to Sam's Club. Okay, so now just take a couple more rocks again. If you're wondering, this rock mix is called Desert Spice. You can't buy it at like Lowe's or Home Depot, but you can buy it at the rock store. Which, if I keep taking it for projects like this, eventually I'm going to need to go get more, but that's okay. Well, I think that turned out pretty darn cute. I think she is going to like it. Let's kind of try to get... I messed up my cactus tongs. Okay, almost done. Zena, come here. Well, thank you very much for watching this quick little video. If you liked it, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that bell so that you see the next time me and Zena upload a new video. Get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.